Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. I'm at Dillon State Park, just outside of Newark, Ohio. Well, after you park in the lot, you just bear off to the left next to the stop sign and the ball field, and you'll run right here where it says Mountain Bike Trail. Good overview of Dillon State Park. Map here. We're right over there by the field, and I guess that's the green loop, which is easy. And then there's red and black. So it looks like we just start off on this grass area here. You want to go to the right. Oh, coming by. Oh. That's all right. How's everybody?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. All right, also a hiking trail. All right, let's see here. I guess we want to go to the right. Says hiking trail. I guess we'll go back that way. See where that leads us. But that fork there to the right. Little information here, the Bald Cypress Swamp. Welcome to the Bald Cypress Swamp, a unique ecosystem found at Dillon State Park. This area is called Cypress Swamp because of the types of trees that live here. And I hear mosquitoes. And oh, not really sure about those. A little bit of everything here. Muddy going up this hill. I guess we'll head to the left here. A little muddy and slippery. They've had a lot of rain. These roots are going to be a little slippery. Now this could get a little tricky. Ugh. Shit! Ow! There was a big boulder. Ouch! Not the fret. Coming across that bridge, I didn't see that boulder, but he's okay. Whew. All right, And we're back going again. Whoa, there's an interesting feature. I don't think we'll go on that. Or jump this big rock. Definitely a lot of thorny bushes through this narrow section. My bell. Ooh, this is muddy, muddy, muddy. Ooh, almost did a header. Ugh. And we're back out. Oh, and we are full of mud. I am a muddy mess. I don't know if you can see too much of that, but that trail was really muddy and slippery. Even though it was a beginner trail, I took a wrong turn and went down the beginner, intermediate or so. But I still had fun. I fell down a few times again, as you saw in the video, but I like it. I'm having a good time, and I don't mind going down the easy trails. I know everybody wants to go down the hard trails and up the big mountains and over the rocks and the streams. That's not me. Sometimes I might get a few of those, but I'm more the leisure mountain biker, so. But I'm having fun, like I said. All right, and on that note, Traveler out.